My name is Michael Burns. Just wanted to tell you about my experience with Dr. McPhail. I started having problems some years ago with pain in my arms, my neck, shoulders, hands. Got to the point where it's difficult to even hold a pencil or cell phone or even write or even hold a steering wheel to drive. Became very uncomfortable. Would have to often stop and just go home. But ever since I went through his program and procedures, things have gotten a lot better for me. I'm excited about the results. I'm able to drive again without hardly any pain. The other day I did some lawn work at my church and was able to cut the grass, weed eat, and mow the hedges without stopping. Previously to that, I would have to stop sometimes after a few minutes and just let someone finish it for me. So I'm very excited about going through this program, and he's helped me a lot to feel a lot better. I was down and frustrated and had surgery on my right arm also and thought that would help, and that didn't help either. And then I found Dr. McPhail through a letter my mom received in the mail, and we went to his workshop and started the program with him, and it's been a great help, and I'm feeling 100% better right now.